Good morning, family. I'm Stephanie Wade. I'm Habasia. I'm also the Creole Griottes. How y'all doing this morning? I just wanted y'all tonight let y'all know, for now, yes, I do still have the lights. That one above me is the regular light, and that one is the one that stays on when the main lights go off. So that's the candlelight situation I have when it goes off. So I be glamping, y'all. It's Africa, y'all. But anyway, how y'all doing this morning? I'm doing just fine. I just can't resist jumping out of bed when I hear the birds start their song in the morning. And I'm just sharing with y'all because y'all know it's not going to last forever. I am going to be moving somewhere else after this month is finished. So I try to enjoy every moment. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you are coming back, welcome back. If you're not subscribed, please do. It's free, y'all. I'm not monetized yet, and maybe not in this lifetime, but y'all, I'm doing this because I just love sharing my stories because I'm the Creole Griottes, y'all. That's what my family does. We tell stories. Like they say, what would you do if you did it for nothing? This is what I do. And that's what I'm doing. I'm sharing with y'all, my family, my friends. My number one fan is my cousin Lyle's mother. And then all of you that stay tuned for every episode or catching up to the other episodes, I'm so happy. I'm gonna go to my back room and talk to y'all just a little bit, not much. I'm mostly gonna let the birds do the talking. But before then, I'll just touch on one subject, because y'all know, as I'm led by my ancestors, I will say something. The majority of the Repat family says that they're coming here to get away from Babylon. But we have to be very careful when we come to the motherland that we're not bringing Babylon with us. You know, the native Babylon ideas about the us and them thing? There's no us and them, y'all. Our ancestors were Africans taken away. So therefore, we are also the Africans. And we have to realize that just like right after slavery, when a former oppressor said they're lazy, they don't like to work, it's only because they had to pay something other than slave wages for you to work for them. And they didn't like you to be independent because you was their competition. So we can't be that way, y'all. At least y'all know I'm not going to be that way. Because I'm the Creole Griottes, y'all. I'm Habasia, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa. And I mean that. Your brothers and sisters, my brothers and sisters. We empower families to self-sufficiency through education. One of the ways would be through the food forest on the land in Jambangeli. If you want to be part of it, y'all, you have to become part of Patron for a little bit of money, y'all. $3 a month? Not a day, a month. That's less than a Starbucks, or whatever else you're doing. Definitely cheaper than smoking for y'all that still smoke. Or whatever else y'all do. But anyway, it's still all a choice. Because y'all grown, y'all do what y'all want. But don't be complaining that you can't come visit the land or hang out with me because you ain't Habasir. It don't take much to become Habasir, y'all. The membership is complimentary when you become a Patron. Just simple as that. And people are not lazy. They just want to be paid a decent wage. And if you're not doing that, that's your answer to your solution for the most part. And people don't like to be talked down to like they babies. Because they grown. They do what they want. And they will listen to you if you respect them as a person. And that's a universal thing. People are the same everywhere. So if you talk to people like the adults that they are, nobody is your child, no matter how old you are. I know in Texas, an old lady, I'm not going to even say her name, said that if I wasn't 86 or however old she was, that I was a baby to her. And I'm like, I'm 68 years old. I have great-grandchildren. I'm not a darn baby, Out of respect for her age, I just left her butt alone. But I was thinking, baby, I'm nobody's baby anymore. I was Erlene's, and I was Charles Edward Spencer Jr.'s baby. And that's it. And I was my grandmother's granddaughter, Cora Sam, and Anthony Sam's granddaughter. But surely at 68, I deserve some respect too, that she should see me as a sister and an elder too. Not her elder, but an elder. If you disrespect other elders, you're encouraging other people to disrespect them too. And that ain't cool, y'all. We should have respect for all elders. We should have respect for all adults. Not talk down to people because you think that they don't understand you. Maybe they don't because you're not coming from the same wave as them. It's like me. When I'm in the motherland, y'all, I love my African everything. I do. I don't like tourist traps because I see too much Babylon, Disneyland, and all those tourist traps. So I stay away from them like the plague. By design, I don't want to be there. When I watch African movies and the motherland, I get such a thrill. So in Nigeria, that's definitely what I do. My cousin and I went to Nollywood movies in Nigeria where we got to talk during the movies and everything. That's the experience, y'all. It's a cultural experience. It's stuff that we do all the time at home. So when you can do it in a movie theater and people don't shush you, you know you home. And when you see people on the screen that look like you and that you could look at a movie and everybody in the theater can identify with what's going on that screen and that everybody can contribute because maybe the movie has something about the culture of the director of the film that you don't know as a descendant of an enslaved African. So it's all kind of ways to see things. But me, I'm Pan-African in thought. I try to be Pan-African in action. I love my brothers and sisters. Whether you're from the continent or in the diaspora, I understand why people need to go somewhere and come back sometimes. And you cannot see things unless you try to walk a mile in someone else's shoes. You cannot force somebody else to have your experiences just because you tell them about it. It doesn't work that way. Everyone has to have their own experiences. But y'all know I'm led by the ancestors, and I just had to say that this morning, because I know most I've been giving y'all just beautiful songs, but it was on my spirit this morning that I had to let everybody know. Like Curtis Mayfield say, people are the same everywhere. Just like you left one country, some of you guys, to go to another to find peace and feel like an equal to someone else. Remember that equality extends to everybody. Everybody. And if I hear another person say they lazy or they anything, meaning their own brothers and sisters, I'ma just start crying right there. Because I bite my tongue because I know I don't know everybody. But it just really don't sit well with me when I hear people talk like that. I was just so moved by the taxi driver charging me $50 last night to take me home. I felt like when I was in Nigeria and the pastor said, she is one of us. She is one of us. If you want to come back home, y'all, you got to change your mindset. It's not about learning a freaking language. The language is fine. I'm not saying don't learn a new language. But the first language that you got to speak is equality, kindness, brotherhood, sisterhood. We get it. We all get it. Nobody wants nobody to talk down to them or talk negative about them. But nobody wants to work for slave wages neither. A fair wage for fair work. 'Cause me, I don't need it. I'm doing YouTube for free. And you know what? If I got paid anything for it, I would do just the same. Yes, I would. I'm not dependent on it for my bread. So I'm just telling y'all the truth. I'm telling y'all unfiltered, straight from the ancestors. And I know I don't know what I'm going to say before I turn this camera on. So anyway, I'll let y'all hear a little bit of the birds. But this time, the little birdie talking is me. As the ancestors use me as their mouthpiece, y'all. And that's it. So let me turn this camera around. So guys, until next episode from my mothership in the Gambia, this is the one and only Creole Griottes signing out. Peace. Peace. Power to the people, meaning us. You. We are one. There's no them and us. It's us. We are our ancestors. And our ancestors were what? Africans. I love African you, and I love African me. Till next time, y'all.